Hey guys, I got a 2017 BMW 330 hybrid to the battery. I'm just going to show you how to remove it. So the first thing I did was I took off this piece right here. There were just some clips on this side, plastic clips that you just pop the middle out. Here's one right here. So you just pop that middle up and then these come out. There were some T40s over here on both sides, and then a bunch more clips. So I got all those off. There's something right here, and then up there, down there. Okay, so I disconnected the negative right here, and then there was a cover right here, 3 10mm bolts, and right there. So I removed that. I think this was a 13mm. Anyways, now we got to remove these. They are, I think, 16mm. And then those two over there, I think those are 10 or 13. Let's check. Okay, these two are 10mm. Okay, these are 15s. Actually, they are 16mm. So get all those off. I believe that is a 13. So let's remove that one. Yep, that is a 13. Okay, so we can just remove all these. Now we just gotta disconnect it over there. Okay, so down here you still need to first evacuate all the Freon. And then it's just a 10mm bolt, and then there's another one right here. And then, okay, then next we're gonna remove all of these 10mm bolts, and after that it should be able to come out. There's this piece right here.